Welcome to Clickmyproject.com. The title of our project is Answering General Time Sensitive Queries. We have extracted this title from the domain data mining. Time is an important dimension. In the existing use system, the data search in database, the data will be retrieved using state-of-the-art retrieval model that will provide only topic similarity. This is not enough for document ranking, and it have taken more time for retrieving the data. In the proposed system, we have introduced time-sensitive queries that will calculate the time interval of the data searching in the database. That will automatically generating document ranking in the past queries and relevance data. It will compare the topic similarity and data relevance for document ranking. Then we built scoring techniques into the overall ranking mechanism. In our project, we have using TRC dataset as our database, and we have processing on the dataset. We have using more number of techniques in the time-sensitive queries such as language model, relevance model, and probabilistic relevance model, and so on. Finally, we have optimized the more number of queries, and after that we have select one query which is fast retrieval the data from the dataset. The data flow diagram, despite the law of our project implementation, we have implement our project in two levels, level 0 and level 1. In level 0, first we have select the dataset and extract into the database. If we want to view the database, the view process can be used. Next, we doing the similarity process. It is used to organize the database by relevance data in each category. After that, we going to query evaluation process. In this evaluation process, we have used more number of queries and evaluates its execution time. We observe that in this phase, the different type of query can retrieve the data in different time on the database. In level 1, we have using optimization and analysis. In the optimization, we have calculate the execution time of the query and the time interval insert into the database. The analysis phase using to analyze the number of queries and will find the query which one is executed fastly. This is demo of our project measuring the wide ranking instant perspective query. Now we go to execution. Data extraction. This is the first step of our project. Now we select the data set which should be extracted into database. Now we choose the dataset. Then we go to extract the dataset into the database. First, the dataset will be splitting and reading. Then finally, the dataset storing into the database. The dataset extracted successfully. If you want to view our database, click the view button. This is our database. It contains more field names. Then we go to similarities. This is similarity process. In this process, used to organize the database by relevant data in each category, and it will provide the similar topic of the dataset for corresponding field. For example, we now choose the age. The details of age values can be displayed in the combo box. If you know the details of that value, to select that value and click view. Now our process completed. This is the table of age 20 value. Now we go into query evaluation. In the query evaluation, we evaluate the queries. In this phase, we have introduced more number of queries and evaluate it. The same process can now click age. The values of age will be shown in combo box, and we select values in the process 1 and process 2. These having one queries, and it will retain the data from the dataset. Now click process 1. Process 1 completed. This is the value of 19 will be done in process 1, and now we click process 2. Process 2 will be completed, and this is the value of 19 can be done by process 2. In this query evaluation, we observed that the retrieving data from the dataset by two processing. These two processes can done their job at different time intervals. So we have optimized the queries. Now we go into optimization. This is optimization. In optimization, we can optimize the queries and calculating time intervals between the queries. To click same process. Process 1. Completed. And now process 2. The values of the time intervals between the process 1 and process 2 can be stored into the database. In the analysis phase, we have analyzed using in the table values. This is analysis phase. The analysis depends on the optimization process. We have optimized the queries and its time stored into the database in the optimization process. Now click optimization. the graph will be shown. This is the action name and this is the time difference between the process 1 and process 2. This value can be used to analyze and find the which query is executing fastly and retain the data and display quickly. Thanking you.